Good day, sir and ma'am. I am Maybelline Angeles Garcia, 28 years old. I have a husband but not yet a married. I have blessed with 2 children, 9 years old and 4 years old. My husband is driver. My father is farmer and my mother is housewife. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am Roman Catholic. I am from Philippines. My experience is I work as household worker in the Philippines for 2 years. I have served 3 members of family, 2 adults and 1 children. My main duties to my previous employer is cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, washing clothes, and washing dishes. Sir, Madam, please hire me as your worker. I promise to give you the best service and I will treat your family as my own family. Sir, Madam, I'm happy person, hardworking, and motivated. Sir, Madam, please hire me. Thank you. I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.